Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah, Junimo.
Foster Romanus, good morning, dear Nakoso. I don't voice I day.
Me ferry.
When you're free.
Minimum how you also for.
A day.
Hey. Christ, no Bible, no way, dear. I hear Christo Nikra.
Hey.
Me that's a pam patch me. Sorry, say my elite.
And you're free.
Examine miscalculate time.
And you're free.
Patch me palm.
You're more quaba.
That's a bit brave.
Then Nakoso.
Oh, you could see a Bob towards the end of year program.
As usual. Song administration.
The way a comedy.
Oh, wow.
Comedy.
Oh, you're back. Hey, I was experimenting.
Me administration in June.
Okay.
Na my year comedy in December. Until my child finish me.
Anne. 6.
Na fast is back on count. Yes,
oh wow! It's a comedy.
A comedy.
This is nice.
Thank you. This is our faith edition, actually.
It's nice.
Thank you.
It's
Thank
nice.
you very much. Thank you very much. It makes a
it's
lot.
One also.
Yeah, we'll be selected the comic.
Obi Amponsa. MJ.
Putogo, Chemical, and Jeffrey Notte.
Hey man, who Ojo?
Debbie Ojo anyways.
Ojo Niso. No for Baby Antoso. Jacinta
Niso last year no also. Last year na Jacinta was
into why you're shuffling.
Yeah, could be yeah, theme no.
Okay.
Into this year the any FVV experience.
FVV
experience.
Let's say Volta region.
And yeah. There's a okay FVV as said it's really a sweet experience. Yeah, kind of sweet, but then you usually and obi or baby auto tickets be onya FVV rice 5 kg back.
Oh wow.
Now they're coding.
Into previous comedy shows not teams any day.
Yeah, lounge experience, kitchen experience, party experience. Last year, legends experience.
Okay.
And now this year, faith anniversary. Your friend and your friend FVV experience.
Let's just say the joke should be about FVV.
Oh, the whole experience, no, the jokes and bibi bebe mobia is to make say obi bebe will have a sweet experience. Yeah, from the jokes, obi or backstage is making sure say audience never ban. Can be kai be by me refi.
Oh, I winning.
Debbie.
Adwuma date near the bay.
Actually, 22nd December, Friday, 22nd December, our National Theatre.
Stoneboy in the show, 22nd.
I mean, who said now, who decided the other call? I'm saying, oh, don't worry, wait till my family, dear, no, we are now called Stoneboy.
Next time, what time, bay?
It's near 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, okay. To 10. Oh, 10, the next party, Nasha, say, was Stoneboy,
after party in the
Stoneboy. That's beautiful, that's beautiful. I remember, I think it was like 6 or 5 years ago. Maybe by Instagram, no, I posted. No, I show. I mean, kind of show that I won't really remember. No, I show now, original stage. And I say, hey, my commentator I say someday, one day, I'll be on the stage with you. I check it's. I check my like I check like 6-5 years ago. It's my one person name. My next year, obey the year. Now my bomb home thing. Not just say.
Oh,
pass it through.
Any problem, crowd.
Me bomb me home thing.
There be that more than the body that. That will help performance also.
Oh no! Oh for real?
Oh yeah. It was brilliant.
Oh you know how no? DKB show no?
Yeah, it was superb.
Oh
yeah, she was phenomenal, like very excellent. You know, like she literally played with just the surrounding. Okrai,
Oh, so you were there. Nyamisha.
Yeah, it was excellent. But I had to leave very early.
Okay.
But it was.
Oh, Nyamisha.
It's no problem, cry.
Nyamisha, Bompire say.
No problem.
Say the message comment when it will come to pass. Be on stage with legends like you people.
Eish.
And then I express myself.
Eish.
And it's not easy.
You, legend.
I'm seeing the ring on your finger. Your life and now, I don't worry.
Patronia miado.
Achana, I said many basso.
I think it's 1 year ago.
Oh, but last time next show. And I'm imagine basso.
About last time, so last June was my
1 year anniversary.
Yeah.
And my dear shut down cause I said Elena.
What? Neither from sir.
Then I said, who him no do. Who him sir.
Any me say my ha. Oh, I'm fine from me 1 year anniversary na me dey.
And then congratulations.
Thank you very much. Easy but
our rate is saying.
Easy cry. Mama worry na nyame shromo. Almost worry and I don't know how they survive.
I didn't say.
Hey. Our head they say to me then I must survive.
Let's our ready. It
Papa.
Sa
ka already. We will catch us our end dey be oba.
Maybe I'll cast because it's just a year.
No. If you know why you got married and the person you married to, it's just like okay about relationship. Only obi adam for only perfect. But to make us any pani your best friend.
Exactly.
I didn't know your best friend. Even though you're perfect.
Exactly, yeah.
So nipa na why no you're perfect. But who adjusted to live with the person. Once you adjust and you know say nipa marrying and is in a buying you don't have to be
scared.
Worried. No, not at all.
Tell me now when you're married, no, then a nice scale, so what's your barrier?
And I think that most of the time, we make us 10 years, 15 years. We say, you need to about 10 years, 15 years. But then, and they tell you so about stories. Maybe you've been in a year, 15 years. You say 10 years. So I die on Mutimu no year, no Mutia rent. So now it's hey, what if you marry the wrong person? Those were the fears, but when you meet the right person and you are.
How do you know this person is the right person for me? How do you know? Mostly
it comes with the peace you get when you're around the person. You know, all project ahead, and you only the part to us 5 years from now. Where do I see myself in this person? Who nimusa and you know, second thought to be a. And I think so the comparable it helps.
It helps.
In that time.
Until you've been married for a year now.
Just 1 year.
Just 1 year. Until sa feeling na wunya ni sisi an always she sen kawari earlier na.
Not always. I feel the God's time is the best. Until you know, and yes, I mean man come warrant, but I feel it was the right time. They worry, you know, and. There are just some worries at time. Beneding. Yeah.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Until you say worry, what get rid of all your single friends and I say you're still talking to them.
I'm encouraging them to get married. But they be to me altar so I'm a bonfire mom say Eradier Felicia.
Hey, I'm how true.
Hey DKB.
DKB dear. Me come bonfire man.
DKB coffee 50.
Megas wanya o.
Apa hu. Oh DKB. Kaya wo le gon kra na so 35 ah. You is.
And one she school asent man na wabon.
Da bi tin wanyi. Ni tin kwa 25. Wanyi.
When you say DKB tin na mo kan me say ya go.
Ah, why?
Inti me hu ni so ho na me so no bibi koso.
Inti ne gota wo.
Hello DKB. Foster Romanus. Church room.
Oh me an. Samini say Independence Square.
Adwuma.
To 22nd December.
Yeah. Musicians been our bill no so.
Was it?
Musicians been at your
motors. Oh, yeah, sure. And your musicians, surprises.
Okay.
Our show is full of surprises, and you never know
who
what
pull
surprise up. You know, and a comedy show. We project the comedians, but on a a surprise everybody. Wow, obe person obe biano. I'm my back throughout the years. Who say every year be a surprise element. But it's part of the show.
It's part of the show.
Yeah.
The Roslyn Giza one Martha Nkoma and Peter Richie. Omo ba show no so no moka said the musicians no mo ye show mo to me support your mono. So mo premier mo in movies they don't get that support, and I said that's we saw more barbershop and I most more experiences are there
from the comedians,
from the musicians.
Oh no, the musicians they always say it depends on the season. To say in show you say around Xmas. Most of the time, no almost so shows around that time. So sometimes they are busy. But we've had D Crime come. What's the name? Article 1. Most of them ever pass it through when they have the time. But because of the period, most of the time they are busy. Into year crowd, we don't really want to worry them much.
Oh.
Because I say also kunya show be obinya kakra and the kese or animal. You don't want him to just come and do a pass when he could have gone to
the big
play a show.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
But supporting most of the musicians, they mind. We appreciate it.
And what more purchase tickets any idea?
Oh yeah, we have some of our even fellow industry people or motor ticket just to support. They'll call you, so Charlie, I can't make it, but I want to support.
I send this come out
Yeah.
So almost send this kind of to answer the show bottom.
Oh yeah, mostly our tickets are bought online. And here they talk, and then obi any scan up as all banner genuine near the amount. And
this year will be my say musician be send over 2,000. Set to or want to remember, but you know online.
Oh yeah.
Over to take is 2,000. At the amount.
Oh yeah, there are.
And you'd rather buy with the money now who empty seat to Hannah.
No, so when we buy it, so yeah, the fans say even as we started promotion, there are people who will call you and say, "Oh, Charlie, me nyamebo," but
okay.
So if we know say genuinely Nipana or friend Nakasa know to me afford, yeah, we give it to them.
And take it today saying
take it near 150 CDs
150
regular and a VIP 250 CDs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Into be pepper so beba. Or Laura Febo need ticket. And yes, sir.
Jose.
And yes, sir.
Ebia na ote rich.
Because I what take pan time, baby. Grandma say, "Oh, bahono
with the boat craning."
In and out to which over 300 cities.
So that's why yeah share all those things. Then who say truly this person needs it, and I say, "Hey, Bia." Sometimes what we do is say, "Bia, your constitutions near the ayah to say like a giveaway."
Okay. For the schools,
maybe a school, sorry, group and yeah.
Oh, this is nice. This is actually nice. Nice.
So because Nipano. So you don't want the person to lack in insurance.
Exactly.
So you do it for the person.
If you ever school, no crab to me rent a bus.
Oh, their mom
no more bar. Oh, this is my Jane who say this is.
Oh, so yeah, we do that. We don't keep the money.
Okay.
We don't keep the money because eventually I say samba. Wow, no.
So one was at 2,000. But no, I say at 2,000 tickets. And I say I say extra.
Yeah. We try to be as truthful as we can.
I make sure I want to say. Safira and Naira and Nas, Senekunuswa, Safira, if I'm saying Safira and Ananias. Aye. Foster one bantam. Foster Romanus one bantam. Our time is up. Any information be at the better to and BB.
And it's just about the event. No ticket, no person turn online. Obe dial *713. *33 *05 hash *713 *33 *05 hash. Add your ticket online. Open see deliver mawa. No after 0261 931099. 0261 931099. Nah.
No, I said try delivery fee.
Debbie, no delivery fee.
Oh, no delivery fee. Oh, Yamin Shamu. Like that's a more Yamijuma.
Yeah, the end of the day, we don't try to be. Yeah, it's stressful to work with because we want you to come and experience.
And experience is 22nd December 7 venue National Theatre.
FVV experience. Oh, bad when you're FVV rice. It's better FVV rice.
Photo shoot beba.
Oh yeah, you
red carpet.
Yeah. For that
a comedy show ko shempa bo nkotie obi na so shempa bo aho be ha ho na skata sie bi ase be wonya ho adwan obo ko shata na ta de ka ba sei wotina chi awu ho hwe etire so ade beba no fatire wo fom bra nkosi mani mesre o yin na ye besre be hwe wo ma besre nko ye kuntan se de wo 40 days ko da ase wa sori dem ye simple ne fa bra na nya nika
na trying
one fan to jabo so bo a okujina ni tailor so akopoma tade kakraka na otie ni mu no I say Batman there be want to me obi show de o magenta woni asesa Foster Romanus Nemi sha so pansi tru
I da say mo to safre e da ma se de bia ito en safre mo bia mo boy but enede I'm sorry say
enya hwe
e balit mo fanche me pa da mo ase bebre
yedase
nyame sha mo bebre
nyame sha
Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah, Junimo.